Why is the vending machine popular? Because it's very convenient and easily speed faster than general at least 1040 or 1540. Freehand every can weld at least hundreds of thousand pieces metal parts, so it is very popular.